Hi, hello friends. So welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking in this video, and I hope you will like this video and you will watch until the end. So today is Saturday and it's lovely outside. It's lovely outside. I just show you simple glimpse here. Wow. I would love to ride. I love to ride, but I'm not riding today. But I really found a very interesting product for you. If you have a problem with your helmets, it's because that if you don't have enough space for your all the helmets and you need a rack or something to keep, so it actually takes a lot of space. So what I found interesting is it's a very solid hook. It takes a very minimal space in your house and you can put a lot of helmets there. It has 11 hook, so at least you can 6 to 7 helmets easily you can put there. So this is a very interesting product that will keep your helmets in a with a minimal space in a nice way. So I want to share with you this product. So let's see the product first. Okay, so as you seen that okay, it was so funny that I got my 5 helmets, then got somebody put bag, handbag, and then tudong and so many things. But the way it is, I want to show it that it's really solid, and the price it's only 20 bucks. You can buy from Lazada, Shopee, anywhere, even you can find in Amazon also. Then only 20 bucks and it solve your all problems. You don't need a rack and you need no need more space. You just put in a corner in your house or anywhere beside the door or where it doesn't matter, because it takes a little space only. So I order few more because I want only for my helmets. I don't want anybody put their bags, so that's why I buy few more. So I'll unbox it and I'll show you how solid it is. So till then, watch the video until end and hopefully you will like it. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you like it. If you like, please click the like button and please subscribe our channel, because many more videos are coming soon. And if you want to get the notification, please press the bell icon. And let me know what kind of racks or what kind of hooks you are using to keep your helmets. Let me explore. And till then, have fun. And if you are riding, safe ride. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.